President Trump's sweeping 10% tariff on all imported goods has officially come into effect, triggering shockwaves across global markets. Traders reacting, news tickers, global indices dropping, US and UK stock markets have suffered their worst week since the COVID-19 pandemic, with trillions of dollars wiped off share prices worldwide. UK Prime Minister Sir Keir Starmer is calling world leaders in a bid to prevent what Downing Street warns could become an all-out trade war. Wall Street closing bell. Concerned traders, Friday's closing bell ended a turbulent week on Wall Street, with a market meltdown not seen since the early days of the pandemic. President Trump stayed defiant, posting online that China panicked, and claimed, "This is a great time to get rich, richer than ever before." Federal Reserve HQ, press conference visuals. But the Federal Reserve issued a warning: tariffs will likely cause higher inflation and slower economic growth. Global shipping containers, trade routes, product labels, 10% tariffs on all U.S. imports are now in place, with even higher levies set for next week, prompting fears of a global slowdown. U.S. farmers, cornfields, soy transport, GOP rallies. China's retaliation hits key U.S. sectors hard, especially agriculture, with 34% tariffs targeting Trump's political base. Capitol Hill, Republican lawmakers in meetings. Though Republican leaders haven't spoken out, concerns are rising, especially in districts dependent on export-driven industries. Grocery stores, price tags increasing, consumer shopping, tariffs function as taxes, and analysts warn that Americans will feel the pinch at the checkout counter within days. UK car factories, EVs on production lines. The UK government is expected to ease electric vehicle production rules to support manufacturers hit by US import tariffs. Planning maps, construction sites, planning reforms to boost domestic growth may also be introduced, while the UK still hopes for a trade deal to lift tariffs. Chinese ports, Xi Jinping, factory lines. China is hitting back hard. A 34% tariff on U.S. goods will take effect April 10, likely locking many American firms out of the Chinese market. Experts predict China's growth could drop to 4% in 2025, with manufacturing investment stalling and deflation deepening. With both nations digging in, this could escalate into a full-scale global trade war, with massive consequences for the world economy. The world watches as negotiations hang in the balance. Trade routes shift, alliances change, and the economic future grows more uncertain.